Alright, here we go. Backseat of Formula 1 at Parc St. Paul. Shouldn't be much different, but I'm going to give you a commentary on this one because it is crazy in the back seat. Alright, like 70-degree lift hill. Whoa, little air time. Ejector air. Air. More air. Then these weird switchbacks. Oh, yeah. Surprisingly, they're not too unbearably uncomfortable. There we go. Now some more craziness. Really freaky head chopper. Oh my god. Oh, ejector. Oh, slam down. Okay, and now weakest part of the ride. Ooh, that feels like a tickly coaster, which is funny compared to the rest of the ride. And there it is, the crazy Russian-built PAX coaster, Formula 1 at Parc St. Paul in France. So